The easiest way that I found to install the Mauser sight hood is to use a pair of these bar clamp spreaders and a piece of paracord. In the piece of paracord, you're going to have to tie 2 loops. I used a bowline knot. You take the 2 loops and you put them into the sight hood. Then you take your pair of spreaders and put them into the paracord. And make sure that the hood is lined up. And now you spread it. Now you take your Mauser and make sure it's lined up, and then you release it. And then you just cut the 2 loops off and your hood is installed.